Did you know that leaving a comment without watching the video can actually hurt a YouTube channel? Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today we will be looking at ghost commenting on YouTube and how it actually hurts the YouTube channel. Most people think that they are being supportive, but they are accidentally telling the algorithm that the content isn't worthy of watching. Here is the truth about ghost commenting and how to stop it. The negative impact. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes watch time and audience retention above everything else. When a viewer clicks, comments, and leaves under 30 seconds, it signals to the system that the video is a clickbait or boring. This causes YouTube to stop recommending that video to new people. The pro and cons. The pro of commenting is higher engagement, but the con of low retention is a dead channel. High engagement alone cannot save a video that no one actually watches. You might see a creator with lots of comments, but if their average view duration is low, their channel is actually struggling. The fix. So what's the solution? It's simple. Watch first, comment second to truly support a creator. Viewers should aim to watch the video 100%, even leaving it playing in the background while you are commenting helps maintain the channel health and visibility. Every second counts. Engagement only works when it is paired with attention. If you want to see your favorite creator grow and continue making content, make sure you are truly watching their video, not scamming the comment. Let's build a stronger YouTube together. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for listening to another YouTube tutorial. Let's continue the conversation on ghosting. Comment in the chat. Remember, as I always say, speak blessings over your lives, and remember, no matter what your journey in this life is, it is blessed. Also, feel free to drop a suggestion topic on the next tutorial that you would like me to share on. Bye guys.